Hello friends, today I am going to show you the card I prepared for my class teacher. I prepared this poem for her and now I will read it aloud. My teacher, my inspiration. At the first day of school, I felt that my class teacher was not so cool. But then I got to know what present I got, which I admired a lot. She kept the class organized, indeed made us very wise. The time I won a competition, she kept her hand upon my head, was surely a great celebration. Many moments I remember from the backstage, the laughing, chattering, all except rage, the way she cured every one of us. With love and great care, she filled the class with ecstatic happiness. She all throughout the year teaching us English. She also told us many of her experiences. I'd wish to be a part of her class. God knows what pageants we might bring. After all, you are one of my greatest teachers, Mrs. Gunjan Singh. Thank you.